Good morning, my dear students. After a long break, we are back to our maths class. In our last class, we are discussing our chapter decimal form. We familiarized what is decimal form, how to represent a decimal form in terms of fraction. In this class, we are dealing with new section, one fraction, many form. In our textbook, one fraction many form, there is a question. The heights of the children in a class are recorded. Ravi is 1 meter 34 centimeter tall. How much? Ravi's height is 1 meter 34 centimeter tall. He is this tall. And this is written as 1.34 meter. We know that in terms of meter and centimeter, it can be expressed as 1.34. In our earlier classes, we have discussed about it. Naufal is 1 meter 30 centimeter tall. Height of Naufal is 1 meter 30 centimeter. In decimal form, it is represented as 1.30 meter. Okay. Then Lizzie has a doubt. 30 centimeter means 30 by 100. This can be written as 3 by 10, isn't it? Here 30 meter, 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter, if we expressed in meter, we know that 30 by 100. By cancelling 0 in the numerator part and denominator part, it should be 3 by 10 meters. This is the doubt of the Lizzie. So why not write Ravi's height as 1.3? Here we represent 1.30 meter height of Naufal. Why can't we write it like this? Both are right. 1.3 meter and 1.30 meters are same here. There is no change in this. Okay, these two values are equal. That is, here we are cancelling 0 from the numerator and denominator part. That is, a fraction is expressed in another term. That is the answer what we are here. If it is like this, 300 divided by 100 or 1000, it is in millimeter. Okay, when we express, milliliter and liter. It is some quantity in milliliter and we want to express in liter. It is same as 30 by 100, or it can be again expressed as 3 by 10. Okay. Same fraction in different forms. We can express a fraction in different forms. It can be expressed like this: 0.300 or 0.30 or either as 0.3. In these three forms, we can express a fraction into decimal form. Look at these problems. 1 meter 25 centimeter, 1 meter 30 centimeter, 1 meter 32 centimeter. These are the some lengths measured in meter and centimeter. How can we write this in decimal form? 1 meter 25 centimeter can be expressed as 1.25 meter. Then what about the next? Yes, it should be 1.30 meters. And the last one, it should be, yes, very right, 1.32 meters. Then, if my question is like this, 1 meter 25 centimeter and 4 millimeter. How can we express this length in decimal form? It is 1.254. All the other terms in centimeter part and millimeter part should be in after decimal. Okay. Then 1 meter, 30 centimeter also can be expressed in 3-digit form, that is 1.300. It is same as this value. Okay. Like this, we can write any measurement into decimal form. Next, we are discussing place value. We have learned that we can express a number into fraction form by its taking the denominator as 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, like this, for a fraction, we can find out the denominator. For example, 2 by 10 is 0.02 and 2 by 100 is 0.02, like this. Okay, if it is 2 centimeter, 3 millimeter, we know that 10 millimeter is 1 centimeter. That is, if we have 10 millimeter, it's 1 centimeter. This is the ratio. So, 2 centimeter, 3 millimeter can express as 3 by 10, which is equal to 2.3. Like this. Then if it is 437 by 100, it can be expressed as 4.37. Like this. We started the section as place value. For example, 234.123. This is a decimal number. For a place value, how can we represent it? It is an place value form. 234. We know that 2 hundreds are there. Then 3 tens are there. Plus 4 ones. Before the decimal part, we can know how to find the place value. After the decimal point here, it should be like this. 1 into 1 by 10 plus 2 into 1 by 100 plus 3 into 1 by 1000. After the decimal part, it should be in 1 by 10 form. Okay. In general, we can say in a decimal form, we put the dot to separate the whole number part and the fraction part. Digit to the left of the dot denote multiples of 1, 10, 100 and so. Digits on the right denote multiples of 10, that is 1 by 10, 100, 1 by 100, 1000, etc. For example is given there, place value of 247.39. How it is expressed there. Okay. Seeing that place value form, you want to split the numbers below like this. This is your homework.